Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this practical video, I will guide you step by step how to make a small house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 40 feet. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, in the dimensions of 30 by 40 feet, we have 3 bedrooms, car porch, living room, prayer place, 2 OTS, open to sky, and you can see this is bathroom. Also, we have closet. So here, guys, you can see this is a staircase and specially designed for the first floor. And you can see at the front side also we have a small lawn for flowers, etc. So also you can make a small garden here. So the front is here, which is to the road side. So this is road side. Okay. If you see, this is main gate. So the width of the main gate is 11 feet. This is 11 feet. 11 feet 00 inches. On the right side, guys, you can see this is a lawn. Width of this lawn is 5 feet. Next, guys, you can see this is car porch. Size of this car porch is 11 feet by 17 feet. Width is 11 feet. Length is 17 feet. Next, guys, you can see this is the right side. Left side, so this is stair, which width is 7 feet. Each flight is 3 feet and 6 inches. Under this staircase we have general bath, okay, or toilet you can also construct there. So here, guys, you can see when you enter by these 2 steps, okay. So here this is a living room. Size of this living room is 17 feet 9 inches by 15 feet. So this is the first bedroom. You can see this is the door for this bedroom and this is its window. So let me mention the window. So this is window. Size of the first bedroom is 10 by 10 feet. Next, guys, you can see this is a living room, size 17 by 15 feet. If you see, guys, here this is prayer place. This is here sliding door, and here you can also make a small window for this prayer place. Size is 5 feet 7 inches by 6 feet and 6 inches. For this living room we have proper ventilation. You can see this is sliding door and this is window. This is also window. So this is open to sky. Size is 6 feet 6 inches by 12 feet. Width is 6 feet 6 inches. Width is 12 feet, okay. Next, guys, you can see this is the second bedroom. Size of this bedroom is here you can place here the sofas, etc., especially for sitting area. This is the second bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 feet 6 inches by 11 feet and 6 inches. This is its window and this is the door. Next, with this large door specially for this bedroom, the first one, you can say this is water closet. Size is 4 by 4 feet and this is its ventilation to the back side, which is OTS, open to sky, which size is 4 by 4 feet. For this window we have also this is the window, okay. Next, guys, you can see this is bathroom. Size is 5 feet by 7 feet and this is its ventilation. Guys, you can see we have 1 window and 2 ventilation to this open sky. This is the third bedroom. Size of this bedroom is, you can see clearly, 10 feet 6 inches by 11 feet and 6 inches. So this is the size of third bedroom and you can see this is its window. Also you can create the other window at the corner of this porch, okay. So it is cross ventilation, okay, guys. So this is a small house planning and I guided you step by step how to create a house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 40 feet with 3 bedrooms, living room, 2 OTS, prayer place, lawn, car porch, staircase for the first floor, water closet, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.